At Ceramic Pro, we've always believed in pushing boundaries, and today, we're taking interior protection to the next level. Introducing Lux, a revolutionary nano ceramic coating designed to protect the things you care about most. Leather, vinyl, plastic, carbon fiber, and your luxury goods without altering the appearance or texture, offering unmatched durability, hydrophobic properties, and a premium finish. We've crafted and engineered the formula to create the most durable and flexible coating on the market ever. Lux adheres to the surface it's applied to and forms a powerful bond at a molecular level, creating an invisible shield, a resilient, permanent layer that surpasses every interior coating on the market, ensuring that your surfaces stay protected from spills, stains, dye transfers, and aging, keeping them pristine for years to come. Whether it's your car, your handbag, or other accessories, Ceramic Pro Lux gives you the power to protect without the hassle. At Ceramic Pro, we believe in creating products that enhance your life. Lux, the next generation of ceramic coatings for interiors and luxury goods.